big man in a suit of armor. Take that off, what are you?
Genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist.
If my math is right, I don't know what it is, 3 gigajoules per second.
No, we know what it sounds like.
Really Quantum fluctuation messes with the Planck scale, triggers the Deutsch proposition. Can we agree on that? In layman's terms, it means you're not coming home.
We're gonna need a really big brain.
Bigger than his?
If I'm right, we can access the area of the brain that governs repair.
Wow.
And chemically recode it.
That's incredible. Essentially, you're hacking into the genetic operating system of a living organism.
It was easy.
Congratulations, son. You have created a new element.
No.
You have to trust me.
Kinda don't.
The guy protecting the military's nuclear codes? I found him.
You want me to help you put Jarvis into this thing?
Of course not. I want to help you put Jarvis in this thing. One last sim before we pack it in for the night. In the shape of a Mobius strip.
Processing. Model rendered.
I figured it out. Time travel.
When used correctly, intelligence can truly be a great thing. Some of the most powerful people in the world are like that because they have the capacity for meticulous planning and great intelligence. The same thing can be said for the characters in the MCU, since it's set in a world where superheroes are given their powers from mechanical suits and scientific formulae. The Marvel Cinematic Universe is populated by geniuses. Now, although we agree to the fact that the evil side of MCU also possesses some of the most brilliant minds like Arnim Zola, Ivan Vanko, and the formidable Thanos himself possesses an IQ almost equivalent to that of Stark, they don't make it to today's list.
You're not the only one cursed with knowledge.
Here is a list of the top 5 geniuses of the MCU who fought for the better side.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
When we first met Stephen Strange, he was the top surgeon in New York. He knew human anatomy inside and out, and he had the steadiest hands in his profession.
You can't do it freehand.
I can and I will.
Isn't it time for showing off, Strange?
Unfortunately, his career in surgery came to a swift, unexpected end when his negligent driving caused him to crash his car and lose his steady hands to perform surgery. In order to quench his thirst for knowledge, he went to Kamataj, where he joined the masters of the mystic arts and learned to control the fabric of reality.
Wong,
What do you want, Strange?
books on astral projection.
You're not ready for that.
Try me, Beyonce.
Peter Parker is easily one of the smartest characters in the MCU. He's only a teenager and yet he managed to impress Tony Stark, who is himself one of the world's leading tech geniuses with the tensile strength of his homemade webbing. He also hacked the suit that Tony gave him and he attends a prestigious science-oriented high school, proving that he is proficient in several scientific fields.
Peter, you still with us? Mass cancels out, so it's just gravity times sine, right?
The fact that Tony left Edith to Peter proves how high he used to think of him.
EDITH stands for Even Dead, I'm the Hero. Tony loved his acronyms.
Yeah, he did.
Apart from the one-sided experiment that went horribly wrong and ruined his life, Bruce Banner is a brilliant scientist. He was behind the Ultron program in collaboration with Tony Stark and was even smart enough to admit it was a mistake.
I'm caught in a time loop. This is exactly where it all went wrong.
I know.
The MCU's Banner even managed to reverse the effects of his gamma radiation enough to maintain his human consciousness as Hulk, so he's a pretty smart guy. And we believe, if given time, he could have cracked the mysteries of time travel.
I have no idea, man. We're talking about time travel here. Either it's all a joke or none of it is. Time travel! What?
Shuri has been declared the smartest character in the MCU by the Russo brothers, and rightly so. Wakanda had an advantage with a mountain of invaluable vibranium, but without Shuri's genius, turning it into cutting-edge crime-fighting technology, it would remain just a giant hunk of material.
How long ago was Korea?
Yesterday.
I don't think so. Bullet wounds don't just magically heal overnight.
They do here.
Shuri's upgrade of the Black Panther suit included a nanotech makeup that allows it to materialize at will out of a necklace so that T'Challa can armor up anywhere he goes. Plus, the new suit has energy absorption and redistribution capabilities, which allow T'Challa to take any punishment he gets and then dish it out back in a powerful pulse of kinetic force. Lastly, she is the only one who figured out how to get the Mind Stone out of Vision's mind while still salvaging Vision's consciousness after Bruce Banner failed to do so.
Why didn't you just reprogram the synapses to work collectively?
Because we didn't think of it?
I'm sure you did your best.
Before we move on to our most expected top recommendation, here are some honorable mentions. Jane Foster is among the world's leading experts on many subjects: astrophysics, astronomy, and of course Asgard. She is also the creator of the Foster theory. Jane even keeps an open mind when it comes to new ideas and concepts, quoting Arthur C. Clarke, "Magic's just science that we don't understand yet." In the real world, proportionally shrinking and growing a person's size is literally impossible, so the guy who invented a device that can do this in the MCU must be pretty smart. The achievements of Howard Stark are virtually unparalleled because he was created as an amalgamation of every groundbreaking industrialist throughout history, including his namesake Howard Hughes. Stark is the man behind Captain America's shield. It will be quite unfair to name the person who made Captain America's shield and not mention the person whose formula gave the captain his abilities. Although everything that Captain America is certainly did not come from a bottle, most of it surely did, and that formula was Erskine's creation. No points for guessing, guys. Nobody in the MCU is smarter than Tony Stark. Besides building his first suit with limited tools and resources in a cave, Tony created a genocidal artificial intelligence that almost led to the end of the world, and then created another level-headed artificial intelligence to destroy it. He invented nanotechnology that allows the Iron Man suit to form around him from tiny nanites stored in his arc reactor.
It's nanotech, you like it?
He even invented a whole new element after following the clues left behind by his dad. And lastly, he invented the time GPS so that the Avengers could go back in time and collect all the Infinity Stones. So I guess that wraps it up. What do you guys think? Did I miss any that you think should be on the list? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click on the little bell icon to be notified whenever a new one comes out. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys next time.